Alright, we got Mark here from Five Angels Outdoor riding Citrus WMA with Colt in the back seat. We're lining up now, getting ready for our trail ride with about 20 vehicles. This is our first big trail ride. We usually go out within smaller groups, but this is our first big group. And it's a beautiful day. We got a predefined route, and we were looking to have some fun, but it's good to hang out here with the Ford F-150 Mafia and Buffalo Off-Road. And you know, we had a great lunch, great everything else in regards to raffle, and but no, we're ready to go. So join us. We'll see you on the trail. All right, got a line up front. There's the vehicle, the Bison, and we got a line out back. So we have Toyotas here, Fords, Chevys, all kinds of different rigs. But it's good to see the Broncos. We'll see how they do. But we're looking forward to this trail ride at Citrus WMA. All right, we are here. We are on the trail. We got a course mapped off. It is dry. It is dusty.
Definitely missing the water out here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it definitely needs a little bit. Easier cleaning, boys. Unless you don't have the top of doors on.
And girls.
Apologize, and girls.
All right, we're getting ready. We're getting close to Trail 14 here at Citrus. Now they did close this trail for some time and then they've reopened it, but I'm sure they've filled in all the gulches and everything. So we'll see once we get to Trail 14 what it looks like compared to the last time we were here at Citrus. All right, we're back on Trail 14 here. We'll have to see what it looks like after this was closed and sort of fixed and or remodeled, whatever they did. This was always a fun trail.
Last car just got on to 14. 10-4. Right about here, up in the front is where it used to be deep rooftop. Yeah, this is pretty easy right now.
Don't be jinxing us now.
Look at that to the right. That's pretty neat. Alright, somebody take the ravine to the right.
At the top here is a clearing. We're going to go around and go up to the top here. If you want to just continue straight, you can. Tony would like everyone to come up to the top here, and I'll squeeze in for a photo. Who's getting out?
I will. Hey, Matt, Jeff, back up. Try to get side by side, guys, so.
Man, this is totally different than what it used to be. For sure, holy moly. Yep, the first challenge on Trail 14. Talk about totally different than it used to be. I mean, it is fully filled in. We are literally where it was just a gorge and nothing doing. So they definitely really filled this in. We'll see how long it takes before the rain washes it out again, but nothing near what it used to be. Definitely crazy how much it's changed. All right, this is some Trail 16 challenge. We're supposed to stay to the right, I guess. We'll see how it goes. A lot of people trying to figure out what's going on here. All right. Wow, this is some crazy shit. See if he'll spot. Let me know
Hey,
where
Chris,
I'm going.
your daughter's coming to your side. Stay right there.
Man, this is some crazy
Chris, get
stuff.
out of her.
Get ready, Colt. All right.
Keep an eye on her, Chris.
Oh yeah. We're in this.
Negative, negative.
Need to represent Chevy. Good boy, Colt. Good boy. Awesome. All right, thank you.
There you go. Keep it straight. Good. One more drop. I'm scared.
Woo!
You go straight. Hit
Yeah,
the
boy.
left, back right. I'm saying it wasn't me.
Woo!
Hey, Black F150, that's down here with me. If I get stuck in these ruts.
All right, we're going back up what we came down before. Yeah, I'm driving in the ruts. I don't know why he's not going in the ruts. Going down.
Let's take it back to the cabin.
Woo!
And everybody follow up.
Woo!
Inboard. I didn't know about it. I would think Pasco paved it.
Woo!
Very short turn. Sounds like it's a great time for trail turn assist.
That darn Bronco guy again. There's a nice little stick sticking up, so watch that sharp turn. Don't get stabbed.
We're going to start seeing cutouts in the wall. Please stay on the trail. This is what we're talking about earlier. We cannot play.
This used to be a train track. That's crazy.